magkano po ba yung approved amount or meron po ba kaming cash out? Hello mga ka-dreamers! So after quite some time, I am back, no? And ang requested topic for today is kung paano po ba tayo mag-loan ng house construction through Pag-ibig Fund. Okay, so sa mga merong bakanting lupa dyan na gustong patayuan ng bahay or home improvement loan sa meron ng existing na bahay kahit existing pa po yung loan. Okay, so yes, tama po yung narinig ninyo. Si Pag-ibig Fund po guys is nag-aalaw na po siya ng additional na loan kahit meron po kayong existing loan. So for example, meron po kayong nabili na bare type na unit tapos wala po siyang tiles and partition. So pwede nyo pong i-loan yung finishes like yung tiles, yung interior designs ninyo, mga kitchen extensions. Yes, pwede na po. So, by the way guys, this is a continuation po sa ating Pag-ibig Fund series or album. Okay, so balik po tayo. So, meron pong mga bakanteng lupa dyan or meron na pong existing na property. Okay, so kailangan lang po na ang classification po sa tax declaration is residential. Okay, at saka yung title po is naka-name po sa inyo as borrower. And pwede din po sa parents ninyo, ang tawag ni Pag-ibig Fund dyan is accommodation of mortgage. Okay, about naman sa na-mention ko kanina na gusto mag-additional ng home improvement loan, okay, so pasok na po kayo dito. Of course, kasi naka-loan na po yung existing na property. Assuming po na pasado din kayo sa income requirement. Okay. Okay, so Cons Alex, ano ba yung major requirements? Okay, so to make it simple, major requirements lang pong i-discuss ko guys. So yung mga minor, lagay ko na lang po sa baba. Like for example, yung 24 months na contribution. Okay, so by the way guys, meron po akong separate video as to paano po mag-qualify ng 24 months na requirement ni Pag-ibig. Don't worry guys, very easy lang po. Okay, so ano ba yung major requirements, Alex? So, ito po yung major requirements guys. Building plans, specifications, and bill of materials. Okay, so medyo technical po ito guys. So, I suggest you find a local engineer or local architect in your area. Kasi dapat po sign po nila ito. Okay, so if wala po kayong kakilala, don't worry. We have also some partner engineers and architects na ma-recommend po namin. Alright. Cons Alex, question, magkano po ba yung approved amount or meron po ba kaming cash out or kailangan ba kaming mag-build in advance? Now, to answer that question, I will try to give you two possible scenario pagkatapos po kayo mabigyan ng notice of approval ni Pag-ibig. Okay, so first is no equity. Now, ito po yung pinaka-ideal guys. Kasi wala po kayong cash out. Okay, now, usually happens pag malaki po yung value ng existing property as a collateral. Now, what happens here is that magbibigay po agad si Pag-ibig Fund ng pera. So, congratulations, no? Now, for the first release is usually around 30%. Depende po yan sa appraiser. For the second release is kailangan po kayo mag-accomplish ng specific po na percentage para po mabigyan po kayo ng check for the second release. Okay. Now, second is with equity or borrower's fund. Ito po na case guys is approve po yung loan pero kailangan po makita ni Pag-ibig Fund ng accomplishment or anything na na-build nyo na po sa site. Kung baga po is build ka muna, okay, bago po magbibigay ng pera si Pag-ibig Fund. So let's just say for example nag-apply kayo ng 1 million na loan tapos ang na-approve lang po is 800,000 which means 800,000 lang po yung ibibigay na total na pera ni Pag-ibig Fund. At saka po guys, if nag-require po siya ng 200,000 na equity at 100,000 na borrower's fund, meaning 200 plus 100 is 300,000. Yung 300,000 po is yun po ang required na accomplishment doon sa site. So, dapat po pag-inspect ni Pag-ibig, meron na pong 300 worth na money na pabuo po doon para po ma-release po niya ang first check. Now, meron pong cases guys na equity lang, meron pong cases na borrower's fund lang. Now, meron din cases na equity and borrower's fund. Now, lahat po yan is depende po yan sa evaluation ni Pag-ibig Fund. Alright. So, take note lang po guys, meron pong requirements si Pag-ibig before ang first release na somewhat major din. Okay, so number 1 is approve building plans and permits from the city building official. Okay, now makukuha nyo po yan sa inyong local city or municipality sa OBO or Office of Building Official. Okay, number 2 is documentary stamp tax on loan mortgage agreement. Okay, makukuha nyo din yan. Ang document is sa Pag-ibig Fund, pero pupunta kayo sa BIR for the payment of the taxes. Okay, so number 3 is yung annotation po sa title na nag-loan po kayo, which is after po yan sa requirement number 2. Pupunta kayo sa local na registry of deeds. Alright, now for the final release naman guys is magre-require din si Pag-ibig Fund ng occupancy permit. Now, as to saan po yun makukuha, same sa requirement number 1, sa local na Office of Building Official. Alright, so I hope po guys naka-help po ang video na ito sa lahat ng gusto mag-loan ng Pag-ibig Fund through construction. Okay, now if you have some thoughts or if you have some questions, you can post it in the comment section below. Now, and don't forget to please like, comment, and share. And in behalf of Dream Bahay, my name is Cons Alex. See you on our next video.